Okay folks, I have a 79 Ford F150 4-wheel drive 460 fuel injected automatic. Great daily driver or a very, very nice restoration project. You can see it's a very solid truck. Has dual tanks. The front tank hasn't been used in years, I guess. I found this truck on a horse farm here in Arizona. Once again, you can see it's a very nice truck. The seat has been reupholstered. It's got power steering, power brakes. It's got a tilt steering column, which is nice, but no AC. The original AM radio with this truck. It is a fuel injected motor. Hit the key, you hear the high pressure fuel system. The key, it starts right up. You can look at the gauges. See the gauges work in this truck. Okay, stay right there, look at the gauges. I'm going to pull out the monitor, which is located in the glove compartment, and I'll turn it forward. Okay, come over this way. Okay, located here in the glove compartment are the instructions, the owner's manual for this Fitech system that I've installed. I'll put some Velcro on here to hold it. It's showing the air-fuel ratio, RPMs, vacuum coolant temperatures, so on and so forth. Okay, let me go to the dashboard. Enter. You can clearly see you can change air-fuel ratios, so on and so forth. Everything on this truck, you can scroll down and look at everything. So we'll just leave that to the side and just know that that does come with the fuel injection system. Okay, I'm going to pull this truck out so we can get a better look at it. Okay folks, as you can hear, the fuel injection system is very responsive, makes a big difference. I've turned the lights on so you can see all the lights work on this truck. Turn signals, hazard lights, so on and so forth, high beam, low beam. It all works as it should. Wipers, sprayer. Okay, here's the 460 motor. It is a 73 460, so it's got the good heads on it, not the emission head. Should be rated at about 365 horsepower. Here's the fuel management system over here. Takes the low pressure fuel into a reservoir and puts it under pressure on the high pressure side, which feeds the injection system. I'm going to show you right here. Very nice system. It's a Fitech system. This system is able to support up to somewhere around the 400 horsepower range. Walk over here and take a look at it. It's got new spark plugs, auto light spark plugs, new Ford Racing 8.5 millimeter wires, brand new supercooling radiator in it, new battery. Let me sit this back on. We'll do a quick test drive. Back on. Okay, I'm going to help you in. Let's do a quick walk around. You can shoot down the driver's side here. Very nice truck, very straight. The BFGs are in awesome condition. I've got pictures of it with the bed liner out. The bed on the inside is beautiful, but it does have the bed liner, and you can clearly see it's wet in there because I washed the truck for this video. Tailgate works great. On this side, folks, you got a little bit of road paint, white line road paint somebody had ran through. You probably use some mineral spirits to pull it off. There is a little spot of rust right here. But like I said, this truck is a great daily driver, or definitely very, very nice restoration project. The seat's been reupholstered and extremely nice. And once again, everything's here in the glove box. The owner's manual is here. The truck, even when I pulled the seat out of it to have the seat reupholstered, there was a build sheet with the truck, so there will be a picture of it on the listing. Here's the original build sheet that this truck came with. F150, which is 150 4-wheel drive. So that will come with the truck with the original owner's manual. There's a dash cover on here, folks. The dash has probably got a little split right here, but other than that, like I said, this is an excellent daily driver. Excellent daily driver. And if somebody was looking for something nicer, it wouldn't really take a whole lot to drop this off to a body shop and have some paint sprayed on it. Make it a beautiful truck. Tilt steering column, starts right up, very responsive. It's a 460, which is a very nice engine option in this truck. There's a second gear shift, very solid, very nice third gear shift. We're at 27 miles an hour. Very tight front end, steering columns, very tight in this truck. The front is very tight. The fuel injection just makes it so driver friendly. Got a little bit of a belt squeal there, atypical on these old V-belt trucks. You can see we're up to about 50 miles an hour there. Hit stop for the stop sign. The truck stops very straight. First gear, nice solid second gear shift. Third gear, 40 miles an hour, drives straight. See, my hands are off the wheel. Very nice truck. Brand new streets, brand new development. We step out, we'll do a quick walk around this truck again. We'll pull over here. Okay, folks. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll do a quick walk around. The lights, I'm going to turn all the lights back on this truck. Once again, you can look, we've just pulled up, there's no leaks under this truck. You can still see the factory emissions canisters under there. Catalytic converter, all the heat shields are in place. Everything is like it should be in this truck. I've left the lights on. You can walk around, you can see all the little marker lights are operational. Back here. Once again, this is a very nice truck. So, yeah, I'm going to my wife just step back and I'm going to take it for a little drive, turn it around, and I'm really going to step on it through here so you can see what it's capable of. Folks, so there you have it. I would normally treat it like that, but you can see it runs extremely well for an old 70s truck. And there it is. I'm going to put this on eBay. Happy bidding. Thanks for looking.